Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix iPhone pairing cannot find Bluetooth device. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so the first way is to just go to Bluetooth, just go to settings and then just scroll down until you see Bluetooth, and now just toggle off Bluetooth and now try it again. If you still cannot see your device, just restart your iPhone if you haven't tried it already. The third step is to just run a hard reset on your iPhone. So to do that, just click on the volume up button and the lock button simultaneously, and then you will be redirected to a lock screen type page. Then you just have to press on the X and put in your passcode, or just log in into your iPhone with your Face ID, and then you can try pairing your device, and it should in most cases fix your problem. So that's how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.